beautiful Homer, Alaska. This is Steve with Alaska Volkswagen Adventures, and we are on a day trip. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, so figured we'd come down here, and it's only 73 miles from my house, so it's a quick run. But figured we'd come down here and explore Homer a little bit on a nice day, since we don't have too many nice days ahead of us. Winter will be here before we know it. They say once this fireweed, once it hits the top, it's 6 weeks to the first snow, and we're about halfway up to the top. So let's go along. Let's go see what Homer has today. This is driving down on the Homer Spit. We have Kachemak Bay, or K-Bay as it's locally known, on both sides here. Got some city-owned camping here in a day-use area. So you can camp right at the beach. I've camped there a few times. It's kind of nice. Listening to the waves all night. Got some glaciers across the bay. They come right down. There'll be three that you can see real well. I'll stop down here and get some video at the end of the spit. Further down the spit, starting to get to where there's a lot more features. Some pretty cool stuff right up here. Hopefully we don't get too much wind noise while I'm videotaping. Pretty famous old boat that they've converted into a home. It's been there for a very long time. Ice rink. It's been here a few years, I guess, but it's kind of one of the newer features down here on the spit. A pretty nice day on the water. Lots and lots of camping down here. Pretty popular place. This is the Homer Lagoon where fishing happens. Those fish are all planted in there and they return there, so they don't spawn here. There'll be salmon. And you got some local businesses here. We're coming up on the small boat harbor where a lot of Alaska's Deadliest Catch boats park during the winter months. Probably aren't many here right now due to salmon season, and a lot of them tend salmon. But this is coming down on the main part of the spit. The Alaska ferries down here, or it comes in and out of down here. Small boat harbors over here to the left. It's a pretty popular place. Call this the halibut capital of the world. Really neat little restaurants and stuff up here. As you can see, Homer's a pretty popular place, especially during the summer months. Alright, I'm gonna put the phone down because it's getting a little busy. Lots of little shops down here on both sides of the street. Salty Dawg Tavern, which is world known, is right up here on the left. I did not expect to see this many people parked down here, or even here, since we're mid-August, but I guess the weather's still nice, so there'll be people down here. There's the Salty Dawg there on the left. Try to sneak in there if we can find parking somewhere around here, which it's not looking very likely. That is the Salty Dawg Saloon. This is Land's End. This is as far south on the Kenai Peninsula or South Central Alaska that you can drive. There's a beautiful motel here with a restaurant. Ferry terminal is right here at the end, but this is the end of the road right here. I'll stop and I'll hop out real quick and take some video. Halibut boats coming back in. Glaciers across the way. This is Kachemak Bay. Freighters, tankers and stuff sitting out here. Nice day to be out on water for sure. Wind's just starting to pick up, as it usually does in the afternoons. This is Land's End Resort right here. Right over here outside the ferry terminal. There's a lot of people fishing. We're gonna walk down here and get away from most of those people. This is the end of the road for Homer. Start to meander our way back down and start seeing some sights. Popular place to fish off the beach. Not usually anything exciting caught. Very rarely do you catch a halibut here, but they do get caught here. Sea kayakers enjoying a beautiful day. It is a piece of coal that's washed up on the beach. A lot of people burn coal up here during the winter months because it's free and abundant on the beaches. Walking up on one of the sexiest vehicles in this town currently. Start of Alaska's Highway 1 Purple Heart Trail. A little Coast Guard tender here, buoy tender. Small little tiny base. Bunch of fishing stuff here, processing plants. Alright, let's see if we can find a parking spot so we can go into the Salty Dawg. Homer Small Boat Harbor. Take bandits in. Sneak over there and get a picture of the time bandit right there. There's the Vanagon right next to the Salty Dawg. By the Small Boat Harbor in Homer. Let's walk into the Salty Dawg. Packed in here, obviously. There's the time bandit. There's the bow of the time bandit, featured on Deadliest Catch. See, it's a beautiful day. This is the Homer Small Boat Harbor from ground level. Next to the Steadfast. There's another boat from the Deadliest Catch. Summer Bay. As you can see, it's low tide, so the top's pretty steep. some of the heroes up here in Alaska. I'm a Navy guy, but I have nothing but respect for the Coast Guard guys and women, because what they do is amazing up here. They save a lot of lives every year. So thanks for your service. Yep, that skull and crossbones is easy to find. This is how close I parked. Just stopped for a lunch break. This is my view. Right out the side door of the Vanagon. Sorry about the wind noise. Like always, it's blowing like crazy. This is the Homer fishing lagoon here on the Homer Spit, where they plant salmon and they come back every year. So people have an opportunity to fish.
Oh no, it's got floats. Yeah, yeah.
Zoom in on the shiny thing over here.
Probably still Dovia.
That is the Homer Spit. From above Homer. You can see the whole spit from up here. That's the small boat harbor where we were earlier. Oops, sorry about that. Couple glaciers coming down over there. Nice big one right there. This is not a spot that many tourists know about. There are some, but not many. There's the floatplane lake and Kachemak Bay. And this overlooks all of downtown Homer. That's the airport down there. Nice view from inside the Vanagon. Hanging out here, enjoying a nice breeze. Enjoying the weather. And the views. Ooh. Mowing the driveway. Cute little fellers. Unfortunately, this is a very common sight on the